I have two cameras. One is the Insta360 Luna Ultra, and the other is the Xtra Muse. And they're both set to video mode, with one camera being low light enabled, and that is the Insta360. We're going to now switch over both cameras to pure video and low light. Now both cameras are switched over to this low light, and you can see what the lights look like. It is not super dark, but dark enough to say, hey, these are the colors: warm, red, green, blue, and some yellow bulbs. We'll get nice and close up, and then we'll switch back on over to the regular video mode. We switch back over to the regular video mode, and we're close up, and what we'll do right now, we'll start to walk away and end the video. You'll decide which camera you like best for your lights.